Earth has survived for over 4.5 billion years. But one day it will come to an end. Not by magic, but by science. From cosmic explosions to the slow death of our sun. In this video, I will tell you how the world will truly end, according to science. When we think of the end of the world, most people imagine war, famine, or disease. But the universe has far more terrifying ways to erase us, and they don't care who we are. First, the asteroid impact, the same kind that wiped out the dinosaurs. One rock, just 10 kilometers wide, traveling faster than a bullet, can vaporize an entire continent. NASA tracks thousands of these near-Earth objects. But even one mistake, just one unseen rock, could mean extinction. Then there are solar flares, colossal storms of energy erupting from our sun. One powerful enough could fry our satellites, shut down communications, and destroy power grids across the world. The last time a solar storm hit Earth this big was in 1859, and if it happened today, it could collapse the modern world in hours. But the most terrifying threat of all might come from deep space, a gamma-ray burst. These are cosmic death rays, born from exploding stars, powerful enough to vaporize our atmosphere and sterilize the planet. We might not even see it coming. The light from the star could take thousands of years to reach us. By the time we notice it, it's already over. The universe might be dangerous, but sometimes the real threat comes from us. Humans, the only species intelligent enough to build their own extinction. Let's start with the one we fear most. Nuclear war. One mistake, one button pressed, and the fire wouldn't just burn cities, it would darken the sky. Scientists call it a nuclear winter, a world where sunlight is blocked by smoke and dust. Temperatures would drop below freezing, crops would die, and humanity would starve in the dark. But war isn't the only danger we've created. We've built something we barely understand. Artificial intelligence. What happens when intelligence no longer needs us? When AI begins to think, evolve, and replicate faster than we ever could. Then there's another silent threat, engineered pandemics. Viruses created not by nature, but by human hands. If a modified virus escaped the lab, it could spread faster than any we've ever known. Invisible, unstoppable, and designed to survive. Every age of human progress comes with a new way to destroy ourselves. And the scariest part? We might not even notice when we've gone too far. Even if we survive asteroids, war, and disease, the universe has one more plan for us: time itself. In about 5 billion years, our sun will begin to die. Its fuel will run out, and the balance that kept it stable will break. As the sun expands into a red giant, it will burn hotter and brighter, boiling Earth's oceans and turning our planet into a lifeless desert. Eventually, the sun will grow so massive, it will swallow Mercury, Venus, and finally, Earth. But even the death of our planet isn't the end of everything. Long after our sun dies, the universe keeps going, only slower, colder, emptier. Stars will fade, galaxies will vanish, black holes will evaporate, until nothing remains but darkness, a frozen universe without light, sound, or life. This is the final stage, the heat death of the universe. No more stars, no more energy, no more life. But even in that silence, the universe isn't truly gone, because endings in science are never final, only transformations. Every explosion creates new elements. Every dying star gives birth to new worlds. Even our own atoms, the iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, were once forged inside a star that died long before Earth was born. So maybe the question isn't how the world will end. Maybe it's what new beginnings will rise from its ashes. The universe always finds a way, and as long as we exist to wonder about it, it isn't over yet.